The random variable x binomial 16, p, where p is less than 0.5. So the variance of x is 3.36. I want to find the value of p. Okay, find also the probability that x is less than its mean. So there are a lot of things that, first of all, to even start this question, you must be able to first know what is the meaning of or what's the mean and what's the formula for mean and the variance of a binomial distribution. Okay, so for binomial distribution, the mean, recall that if x takes on the binomial distribution n, p, then the mean will just be equals to np, and the variance, or sigma squared is just equals to np q, or np bracket 1 minus p. So with that, we know that here, this basically tells you that np bracket 1 minus p is equals to 3.36. You also know that the n is equals to 16. You also know that n is equal to 16 from here, correct? So here, p1 minus p will just be equals to 36 divided by 16. P bracket 1 minus p is equals to 0.21. And then you try solving this. I mean, it's quite easy. It just becomes like p minus p squared minus 0.21. You can solve a quadratic equation. You will get p to be equals to 0.7 or p equals to 0.3. Alright, after you accept both, well, you're going to look at the question. The question tells you that p is less than 0.5. So this one has to be rejected. And your p is 0.3. And well, you find a 0.3 and that's it. You have found the value of p. And after that, I need to find the probability that x is less than its mean. So here we also know now that x has a binomial distribution now. N is 16, p is 0.3, and the mean is np, right? So basically it's just 16 times 0.3, which is 4.8. Right, so the mean is just 4.8. So we want to find the probability that x is less than its mean, given that we are looking at a discrete random variable. So this is from 0 to 0, from 0 in the decimal places, from between 4, like 4.1, 4.2, they don't take any value, they don't take any probability. Right, so our values are strictly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they are integer values. So x less than 4. This is basically the same as x is less than or equals to 4, correct? Because above 4 to 4, there's nothing in between. That is probably just 0. And from here, what we can do very quickly, we just use binom. You go to the calculator and put binom CDF, and n is equal to 16, 0.3. You put 4, and you're going to get, using a GC, the answer will just be 0.450. Alright, and that's for question 3.